Assalamualaikum. This is Muneebali, and today we can discuss how we can connect Arduino with an LED 7 segment display. So we can run first how we can connect. We just open an Arduino software. Okay, from now we can just open an Arduino Proteus software. From here you can see that we can open an Arduino a software, Proteus software, and we can select Arduino. You can just easily you can see that from like this you can easily find this one Arduino. I already opened this, so I just put and drag and place it. Okay, you will see that the 7 segment display. Okay, at Proteus software with Arduino. Okay, you see there is an LED lights. Once we select cancel it, cancel it, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. As I use 7, so we use this one. Okay, so now first we connect this one, this second I connect this, for third I will connect this, for 4 I will connect this, I5 connect 5 with this, and that 6, and that's my 7. I'll just need to ground. I just need to give ground to everyone. Okay, so one this ground, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, in this project we connected our 7 LEDs with 7 grounds. Okay, and now I will open my Arduino software where we can program this, and where we can program this software. So this is 7 segment display. First we initialize all the inputs, all the pins. Int LED pin 1 is equal to 0, and so on, like 6, and such that white setup, and we pin mode LED pin 1 give output. We initialize that we needs an output to 7 segments. Okay, so we just do like this, and after that white loop digital write LED pin 1 high is 1 seconds, 1000 milliseconds equals to 1 second, and we do the same with the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 pins, the same like that. We first initialize this to high, and after delay we then initialize all these things to low. Digital write LED pin 1 low, 2 low, 3 low, 4 low, 5 low, 6, 7 low with 1000 milliseconds, which is equals to 1 seconds display. Okay, and first we try to save it again, just for your, just want to show you. Okay, we just save this. Now we compile. Now we just verify this software is okay or not. After compilation we find that this program was okay. We go to sketch, export by compiled binary. So after that we can get 2 more files, so we can upload this on the Proteus software, like that. You see there is a blinking LED, and you see there is 2 more files. Okay, so we just first save this program, save project. Okay, we just open this one, and program file we select this LED and this LED, and we said open. Okay, and we go to OK, and we just just now we can just simulate this one to one by one, just for your, just want to show you that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. You see all 7 LEDs are running one time with 1 second display, and now you can see that all are closing with 1 second display, 1 second delay. As you can see that this is our first project, introduction to Proteus, introduction to Arduino, and from this you will find this how we can connect an Arduino with an LED. This is very simple, very simple project. And in second video, I will show you how I connect a button and then LED on and off. You will see that inshallah, by the grace of Allah, Almighty Allah, I will send you my second video and upload my second video inshallah tomorrow. Hopefully you like my video. Allah Hafiz.